teachers, this is Rachel from Prodigy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Prodigy to deliver spiral assessments to your students while they play. First, log into your Prodigy account. Then select the classroom you want to work with. Click the Planner button on the left side of the page, and then click Create. Select Assignments, which lets your students focus on specific skills at a set grade level. Then click Continue. Next, select your curriculum, grade, and the skills you want to assess. Then click Next. Now you can adjust the number of questions for each skill in this assignment. Then click Next. Here you'll see an option to send the assignment either to specific students or the whole class. Click Next. Select the start and end date for your assignment. And click Create. Now your assignment is ready to go. To view a report on how your students are performing, just click on the assignment in the calendar and select View Report. Now that you know how to deliver and report on spiral assessments, log into your teacher account to create an assignment for your students today.